Well, in development, there's a producer basically would take the script, work with the writers, and, basically develop to the point where everybody in that particular little group felt that it was, camera ready, so to speak, or to the point to where it was ready to take to a studio or a specific actor or a specific director to see about getting it made. And then let's say that you took it to a studio. Studio says, yeah, we really like this. And, but we'd like to have a polish on it, or let us we'll read it again, and we'll send it out to our people, and we'll have them do notes on it, and we'll get the notes back. And then you set up what it becomes a series of meetings, and usually over a long period of time. Development is never a short process for the most part. And then you get it to the point where if you're dealing with the studio and you agree on a director. And I'm going through that right now on the Martian Chronicles. Had a conference call yesterday, and we went through a whole writer/director list and a writer list to try to get that to that next step. Getting the studio then, since they're going to put up the money, to sign off on that combination of writer/director or writer. And then if we get the writer first, if that's the way they want to go, then down the road, then we'll have to take it to a director. But we'll have a studio there to help us, who will also have their input. Because we can recommend 10 people and they can reject them all. Because again, they're going to be watching for their investment.